Namaskar दोस्तों. Today we explain about the IC engine, internal combustion engines. So let's start. So startings, you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. So we all are watching my latest video in all days. So let's friends start today's topics internal combustion engine. It is a very important topic that one also called as a ICE engine. All branches it is more requires the automobiles, diesel engines, mechanical engineering and all sectors. That one very important chapter in mechanical engineering. So let's start. So, internal combustion engine, the engine in which the fuel is burned and the chemical energy of the fuel is transformed into heat energy within the engine itself is called the internal combustion engine. Again, the machine which convert heat energy into mechanical energy is called an engine. So, those a converter heat energy to convert mechanical energy, that one called engine. Petrol and diesel engines of cars, buses, trucks, and engines installed in launches and ships. The engines are aeroplanes are all internal combustion engines. So all truck, buses, cars, aeroplanes, all engines are IC engines. So let's see classifications of IC engines. According to the fuel used, that one classified three types, that is petrol engine, diesel engine and gas engine. According to the type of compression expansion cycle used, this is also three types, that one Otto cycle, diesel cycle, dual cycle. According to the number of strokes per cycle, that one also divide two types, four stroke cycle, two stroke cycle. Then, according to the type of combustion systems, that one also two types. That one spark ignition and compression integration. So, according to the number of cylinder, the engines are classified eight types. So that is one cylinder engine, two cylinder engine, three cylinder engine, four cylinder engine, six cylinder engine, eight cylinder engine, 12 cylinder engine, and 16 cylinder engines. So there all are the features of engines cylinder and block cells. So according to the alignment of cylinders, that one also classified in six types, that is inline engine, vertical engine, horizontal engine, V engine, off cylinder engine, radial engine. According to the method of cooling, the engine are divided two types, air cooled engine, water cooled engine. According to the working speed of the engine, that one also divided three types, low speed engine, medium speed engine, high speed engine. According to the use of engine, that one also divided in four types, automotive engine, locomotive engine, marine engine, and aircraft engine. So we discuss all classification of the engine. Then you see these pictures, that one also having inline four cylinder engine block, then inline four cylinder engines, and that one also V engines. So we all are discussing his parts and then see horizontal engine, that one a horizontal engine. Then off the cylinder engine and opposite cylinder engine. Then radial engine, that one also types of turbines engine. Then we discuss about the main parts of the engine. So there is one cylinder or any or more cylinder in an engine, one piston reciprocates in each cylinder. One end of the cylinder is open and the other end is closed by placing the cylinder head. When the piston moves always for the cylinder head, then the volume of space above the pistons increases and low pressure develops there. At that time, the intervalve location in the cylinder head open and a mixture of air and petrol. In case of petrol engine, the only clean air in case of diesel engine enter on the top of the pistons. So we See the main parts of single cylinder vertical engine. So see this picture, that one. So we describe that all that pictures. So that one is combustion chamber, flow of water, that a flow of water, then a cylinder hand, then spark plug, then carburetor, then inlet valve, then taplet, the camshaft, the camshaft gear, crankshaft gear, that one crankshaft, that one connecting rod, that one this rod is connecting rod, that one pistons and outlet valve, that one the fully structure of main part of a single cylinder vertical engine. In this way, air or the mixture of air and petrol continues to enter into the cylinder, and long as the piston continues to move always from the cylinder head. After reaching the furthest points from the cylinder head, the direction of motion of the pistons reverse. The piston continues to move towards the cylinder head to compress the air on the mixture trapped inside. During this period, the inlet valve closes as the result of compression. The pressure and temperature of air or the mixture increase. In those cases where a mixture of petrol and air is compressed, an electric spark is created within the compression mixture. At the end of compression, this spark ignites the fuel or petrol engine. In those cases where only air compresses, the amount of compression is much higher, hence the temperature and compression is also quite high. The diesel engine inject into the compression air diesel burn of its own due to the heat of compression air. In both the cases, large amount of heat is generated due to combustion of fuel. In temperature increase, pressure also increase. The pressure pushes the pistons and send it always from the cylinder. After reaching the farthest point of pistons, again continues to move towards the cylinder head. At this times, they are alloy valve located in the cylinder head opens. So, and the bond gases go out through the valve opening after the removal of bonds gases and outlet valves closed. After this, the pistons with the valve repeat the same process. In this way, the piston continues to the reciprocating with the cylinders. In water cooled engine are passes with the engine block for the flow of water, then the water pump sends the cold water within the engine's blocks. Within the engine water absence, the hot water comes out the engine and flows the radiator. Water becomes cold water then enters the water pump. Therefore, water goes on reciprocating in cycle. This is in short the method of working of main parts of a petrol diesel engines. So today we discuss about the main parts of IC engines. The next class we describe and all a story about the power of an engine, RAC rating, all are be discussion. So thanks you friends watching my videos and subscribe that videos and click black icon to watch my latest videos. Thanks, and Jai Hind.